Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back again. This is the last video on the report check_cm. I will share you the link in the description for the previous videos. Okay, so if the credit account was changed, the field contains different KNK LI numbers. If there is no credit master data, FD33 for the customer not maintained, but default data is maintained for the credit control area. The field Vbuk KNKLI can be determined, but here KNKK KNKLI is missing. Okay, so that means if there is no payer account maintained in KNKK table level, then it will be retrieved from the credit control area level. Okay, uh, so there is one report that is RFD KLI20. So this report can be ran to update the any uh, document values. So if any sales data has been changed, for example, order was created, that time payer account number is 1, but later it has been changed to 2, then if you want to update the 2 in that order, already created orders, then we can run this RFD KLI20 to update the open sales documents with this change. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, for FSCM, this K and KLI being marked as red because KNKK table is not used, it's obsolete. If VBAK KNKLI is not filled, then credit check and credit value updates cannot work. Okay, in the fields from the table VBAP, 80 TYP from the table VBAP, you can check in one step if the customizing was done correctly at the time of document creation with regard to the credit value update. Okay, so CMPNT is one of the field which will be helpful, which will be required to update the credit values. That is credit active. Update of the credit value must active for that corresponding item type. We can use the transaction codes OVA7 or VOV7 to activate the credit check. And FKREL, depending on that relevant for billing settings, the open water value or the open delivery value is updated in the credit exposure. The position must have a billing relevancy in order to update the credit status. If an item is not relevant for billing or relevant for pro forma billing, no update occurs. And CMPRE. So every item's value will be updated in VBAP CMPRE field. If order goes to credit block, then the item value will become confirm quantity will become 0. In the pricing procedure used for a pricing subtotal A must be entered in a condition line for determining the credit value. This way, the system is determined to use the subtotal for credit pricing. It doesn't necessarily have to be the same value as the net value. In case of delivery document, you can check the credit price in the corresponding sales order. KBMENG equal to confirmed quantity by delivery quantity LFIMG. Okay, cumulative confirmed quantity is confirmed quantity divided by delivery quantity. Cumulative confirmed quantity. So for the credit value calculation and update, a confirmed quantity must exist in the position. So the last one is credit update test. So in case of classic credit management, we can use the transaction code MCVR to check the credit exposure values. Anyways, the first three are very significant values. The first one is checking the settings determined and the status of the CMGST, and third one is how the credit exposure will be updated. These three are important compared to this last one. Okay, thank you everyone. If you think that I can discuss on any other videos, please comment in that and I will try to discuss.